Hi, I'm David with DB Construction. Today I'm here to show you how to install a 3-piece PVC brick mold kit supplied by 6th Avenue Building Products and manufactured by Bodo Plastics. It's an easy kit. Let's get started. So here are some of the tools that you're going to need to install your 3-piece brick mold kit. A black marker, a measuring tape, a couple options for your fastening would be a trim screw, an exterior galvanized nail, or if you have a trim gun and a miter saw. Let's open the package and see what we got. Out of the package we have 2 right and left mitered legs. We have a 36-inch head which can be trimmed down for smaller doors. Let's get this installation going. So the first thing we're going to install is the headpiece. That is a 36-inch PVC adjustable. This door that we're going to install on today is a 32-inch door. I'm going to show you how to get that measurement right now. So the door itself is 32 inches. The frame, you want about a 1/2 inch overlay on each side. So you will cut the short points of your headpiece at 32 inches. Let's go cut this. Here you want to measure to the short point of your miter. Come across. I like to use a black magic marker. Measure off your finished floor to the short point of your top head. Trim and install your right and left legs. Looks great and was easy to install. Here are some other great PVC products that you could use to finish your exterior projects around the house.